Hello guys, back with me again at this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit subtitles or text on your video with the typewriter style captions. So here I have already imported a video to CapCut, and after that just go to text, click on auto captions and click on start. And just click on the text and go to style, change the font into your favorite one, but I'm going to just leave it as it is, so I'm going to use the system font. And after that, to add the typewriter effect, go to animations, click on captions, then select this typing effects or animations, and it will go like this. Click on the check icon and let's see the result first. And this is optional, but you can also add some typing sound effects. So go to audio effects, and here on the search column typing on typewriter. So you can just choose which one. I'm going to go with this one. Click on the plus icon, and now just adjust it with your text. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.